this is Enoch Kimmel here from Sebale. I just want to first apologize for this afternoon and how things went. A catastrophic failure with communication here. Technology is great, but sometimes it fails. So in lieu of that, I am determined to at least get a demonstration video out to you so that you can see what we have done and have done for other clients of ours. So without further ado, I'd like to get started. This is our landing page, but first I'd like to show you 3 other websites here that we have done. The first one is the National Institute of Building Inspectors. This is a client who wanted us to put their courses online for students to take, and then when they were finished with their courses, they would print out their certificate and be certified to inspect buildings. As you can see, it's a very simple layout, simple template. These are each courses here. I don't have the proper credentials to log in to show you anything further, but you can just see from the front page it's very simple. The second one I'd like to show you is Indigenous Corporate Training Inc. This is another very simple template that we created for this client. They have 3 courses. Drop-down menu is very simple. They have their social media plugins up here. Very simple to do. This is their homepage. The next one is Credibility University. This is the project that we just finished for Michelle Obama. Her goal is to help educate some of the veterans coming back from war on their finances, because we all know that there's veterans who come back and they don't have very good financial knowledge, and that's quite unfortunate. This is a very good project. Really like it, but the front page is very simple, but it has standard features like your login, video to explain things, and you can chat with them. Select your language. Next, we'd like to talk about our project. I'm just going to scroll up and down here just to kind of show you what it looks like. This is Moodle 2.4. I misspoke yesterday. I thought it was 2.3, but we had updated it. Updating it just means that it can retrieve things from the server a little bit faster. You can see it has all the basics, terms of use policy, contact us, phone numbers, social media, and it's very clean, it's crisp. If you notice, there's some high definition photos in the background that have been blurred out. These actually get bigger when you expand the website page and contract it. But when you first get to our landing page, this is what shows up right here. Now each of the buttons are navigation to go up or down based on what it's supposed to do. We just clicked on the sign in, sign up. So this is your sign in, which I've already have my credentials put in, or you can register as a new user. All buttons are JavaScript, and the website is controlled by Ajax. It controls the lines and the borders to make it look very sleek. So you can have this, which is Moodle. It's just plain words, or you can have something that looks sleek like this. So on the front page, we have invisible media player here, just notated by this little circle with a triangle in it. When you click it, it pops up media player. We just have a basic video that we just pulled out from Vimeo, just to show you that it works. Okay, moving on. And we have these other JavaScript buttons. Explore courses in Tutor. So you see how that moved the page up, and you can see what was below it. It's one large page, and Ajax is controlling it, breaking it up into 4 different sections. And this section is a courses and tutors. Now, our courses are unique because our search feature is interesting because we've actually changed the core of Moodle slightly, because now we can search for keywords. Normal Moodle, you cannot search for keywords in your courses because there's no ability to put keywords in. And I'm going to show you that a little bit later. So you can see the courses here. We just put up some plates so you can see. Each of them have a little description pop up, each one of them. It also has the number of courses, the number of tutors. This one has 8 courses available, and there's 0 tutors. But I'm just going to type in photography, so I already have it. What it does, it filters it out, just like that. And you saw how all those plates zoomed in to just 2. That's Ajax working. Now if there were more, there was a whole page full of them, you could load more if there was more. These featured, noteworthy, and new are both courses and tutors. These are all filter buttons. They're not going to work here because there's only two courses. Now this course here, if you notice, you can see these stars here. This is your rating system. This is Ajax. It does it on the fly. Once you click on it, updates the server. Just going to click on it to go into the course. Now I'm not signed in, so some of the features here are not going to work. So course summary, that's where we are right now. You kind of see it has a little introduction video that you can just click play on, or it has the link, talks a little bit more about it in depth, and you can register for the course. If you click on that, it's going to take you back to the other page so you can sign in, or you can click up here to sign in. Detailed description. You see how the page moved up? That's Ajax at work. It gives that really sleek feel. The page slides up into place. See how it does it again. And you can put anything over here, columns, arrange it, more videos. Now when you're setting up your course, you actually get to put in some information about it. This one, it has video lectures 3 hours worth, audio lectures 30 minutes worth, and assignments 30 minutes worth. Now this could change, and it could be 6 assignments, quizzes. You could add a couple more things like laboratory time if it was a chemistry class or something like that, or you could put tests that are here. You could put anything that you want. This is other courses from the same instructor. Now if you do have an instructor with more than one course, there's a little carousel up here which all of his courses will be in. and you can scroll back and forth. You can click on them and register for them if you're allowed to. This is the blog by this course instructor. That's comments to go with it. You can hide comments. Frequently asked questions. You can add anything here. If I click up here, explore courses and tutors, it just takes me back to all the courses. I'm just going to go back in here one more time. Next, I would like to talk about creating a course. But before I create a course, I have to sign in. I already have my credentials in here. I'm going to click sign in. Now what you first see is your dashboard. This is a block dashboard, which means you can reorganize, you can delete, you can move around these block tiles. So if you hit your home screen, it automatically populates what you had before. I'm just going to delete them real quick and I'll show you how it works. It's just like anything else. It's just drag and drop. Notifications pops out, drops right into place. Messages pops out into place. Needs attention. Okay. So just for demonstration purposes, you can see that there's 4 block tiles. We can add more, but they're all in real time as well. So you can move them up and down. You can click on them. This little arrow here to the left, that is reply. The little check mark is if it has been read, and red star is if you want to keep it as a priority. And if you want to create a new message, you just click, and it automatically pops up. Just like a regular email, you put who you want to send it to, the subject, the content, and you click send. This is your tasks and notes. You can check it. It's done or not done. Little simple thing. But you can add more little widgets here as well. It all depends on your specs. And one thing I like to talk about is documents. As an instructor, I logged in as admin as an instructor. So I have my files here. I can actually create these files, I can upload them, I can create folders, you can drag and drop files into these folders. This can be quiz material, reading material, videos, anything you want to put in here, any type of media. You can also arrange it by tile, by list, staggered list, depending on the folder. And I just downloaded everything. This is your calendar. Now, in order to move these around, these tiles, just grab, let it cross, and you can move them left to right, up or down. You can delete them. It's very simple. So this is your dashboard.